Man rebels by redefining the creation story. We do not need God as our maker. Everything happened by chance. God did not need to create anything. And so we could go on and on with the rebellion of God. And we see it's not just an individual level in our life, but we see it in government. We see it in our schools, in our colleges. The rulers take counsel together. They are opposing God's rule and his laws, and mankind together gathers to rebel against the God because this is what they have always been doing. Since the time of Adam and Eve, sin entered the world. Humanity became dead in their sin, and humans love to sin. Right? We are not sinners because we sin. No, we sin because we are sinners. We were born into sin. Man will always choose to rebel against Yahweh and his king.